If you're a real estate agent, it's best to focus on either residential or commercial. But what I found on the financing side of things as a mortgage broker is that a loan is a loan. And the reason why most residential loan officers are afraid of commercial loans is because they don't do enough investment property loans for their residential clients to thoroughly understand how the investor market works on the commercial side. And debt service coverage ratio loans, DSCR, which have been popular on the residential side of things for the past number of years, they actually started in commercial loans. Commercial loans were the first to ever have a debt service coverage ratio calculation. And when it comes to financing, it really comes down to, can the client supply the documentation needed? And then what is the cash flow of that property, or what is the cash flow of the borrower if it's an owner-occupied commercial loan? For example, if you're a business owner and you're looking for a warehouse for yourself, the way you qualify is going to be either based on your taxable income or based on your bank statement income. Whereas if you're buying something to rent it out, you're going to qualify based on the rental income that that property provides. But at the end of the day, whether you're buying residential or commercial, the borrower is filling out a loan application. We're looking at the credit, we're looking at the borrower's financials, and if it's an investment property, we're looking at the financials that the property they're acquiring is producing. And those two things are very, very similar in nature. So luckily, as a loan officer / mortgage broker, I don't have to go in the car and drive to Miami to look at a commercial property and then drive to Fort Pierce to look at another commercial property. I'm just sent the property, I run the numbers, I put together the best program, I shop the market, I hit up multiple financial institutions for the scenario to give my client multiple options, and then I explain the options and I educate them on the entirety of the process. So if you're looking for more education on either residential or commercial loans, hit up One Stop. Make One Stop your last stop. And remember, if it's mortgage, think Molina.